You guys remember before we placed an order in this platform, we had 745 followers, and we'll still have 745 followers. For us to know if these followers have started coming in, all we need to do is to refresh. So how then do we refresh? You don't need to draw this thing down, and boom, you can see we currently have 830 followers, all right, which means that these followers have started coming in. Guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to go viral on Facebook in Ghana, and it's very simple. So I'm going to be showing you guys step by step what we're going to do in order for you to actually get a lot of followers or views or likes or comments on Facebook, right? So the first thing you need to do is to come to this platform called growbettergh.com. As you can see right here on the screen, right? Just tap on it. The link is in the description. It will take you to the website, right? So the first thing we need to do is to create an account in the platform. When you come, just come to this sign up right here. Can you see the sign up right here? Just tap on it, and once you tap on it, it's going to bring you to this place. Create a username, then come to this place, put your email, then create a password right here, and confirm your password right here, and click on the sign up right here, and your account is going to be created. Easy peasy. And due to because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start creating a new account. So I just need to log in to show you guys exactly how you can use this platform to go viral in Ghana. So let's go. So right now I've logged into my account, as you can see right here. So the first thing you need to do actually, if you need either followers, likes, comments, or anything, is to come to this category right here. Can you see this category right here? Just tap on it. So once you tap on the category, you could scroll down right here. You can see even Instagram followers and all those things, right? But right today we are talking about Facebook, right? So let's check out some Facebook services, right? And if you look right here, you see Facebook page followers. If you tap on it, you can select it and select the other services you want. You'll be able to get followers, and you can see right here, you see Facebook like. Can you see Facebook like? You can see Facebook post reaction, Facebook preview, and all those things, emoji, Facebook video views, Facebook live stream. So in case if you want to go live on Facebook and you need more viewers, you can actually use it. But in this video, let's focus on followers. So I'm going to be selecting this particular one, which is followers, because I like using this particular one. So I just need to select it, and when you select the Facebook page followers, just come to this service right here and select the service you want. I like using the first one, so I don't need to select it. Then read this description. Description is actually what describes the service. Is important for you to read description in order to understand the service you're going for, right? And after then, just come to this place, the root link, and paste your profile link. Then I want to clarify something. If it's likes that you want to actually get from this platform, you need your post link. That particular post you want people to like, if it's comment, that's your post link. If it's views, that's your post link that you're going to use. But if you want followers, you will need your profile link. So let me show you guys how to copy your profile link, because it's on your profile we want these followers to go. So right now, let's come back to Facebook. Right now I'm on Facebook. So if you want to copy your profile link, all you need to do is to come to this circle that has 3 dots inside. Can you see? I need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, come down right here, you will see this copy page. You will see this page link right here. Can you see this page link right here? Just tap on it, and once you tap on it, your link is copied. Due to because these followers are going to increase, I want us to mark something. Before we place an order, we had 745 followers. It's very important for you to mark it, because we are going to come back for you to see that these followers are going to increase. So let's go back to GrowBetterGH and come right here and paste your link and come to this quantity. Quantity is the amount of followers we need in this video. I just want only 200, so I just need to insert 200, then come to this submit right here. Can you see this submit right here? Tap on the submit in order to submit our order, and right here you can see they said our order has been received, which means that our order has been received. All we need to do right now is for us to start patient, and these followers will start coming in. But before then, I want you guys to understand that whatever we are doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. So how then you fund account in this platform is very easy. All you need to do is to come to this 3 line up here. Can you see this 3 line up here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, come to this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund right here? Just tap on it, and once you tap on it, all you need to do is to come this place and enter the amount you want to pay. If it's 1,000 cedis, if it's 100 cedis, any amount, just enter it and click on this pay right here. And once you tap on the pay, right, Corapay is going to ask you to enter a valid mobile money number right here. You just need to enter your mobile money number right here, and click on the pay right down here, and your payment is going to go easy peasy, and your money is going to reflect on your GrowBetterGH wallet, right? Easy peasy. You don't need to do anything, right? So this is exactly how to fund account in this platform, all right? So let's go back to Facebook to actually confirm if these followers have started coming in, all right? So let's go to Facebook, And you guys remember before we placed an order in this platform, we had 745 followers, and we'll still have 745 followers. For us to know if these followers have started coming in, all we need to do is to refresh. So how then do we refresh? You don't need to draw this thing down, and boom, you can see we currently have 830 followers, all right, which means that these followers have started coming in. And when we come to notification, you will see then up here we have 11 new page like, because as these people are following, they're also liking. And down right here you can see we have 164 followers, right? You can see all of them, they just came in now, right? So this is exactly how to actually boost your Facebook followers, and also how to get a lot of likes and views and comment on Facebook. All you need to do is to come to this platform, growbettergh.com. The link is in the description. Do exactly the same thing I did in this video. You'll be able to get followers. If you want to get likes, just select like category. If you want to get comment, select comment category. If you want to get views, select views category. That's just it. And follow the step. Anything you don't understand, just click on the WhatsApp number on the website and ask them a question, and they're going to answer you, right? So thank you all for watching, and see you guys in my next video.